Hello friends, after line integral we start now contour integral. If the path of integration of f of z over the curve C is closed curve taken in anti-clockwise direction, then integral is called a contour integral and it is denoted by this. Contour integral can be written in this way. This indicate it is contour integration f of z dz. That means in this contour integral we also consider the direction of curve or shape is in anti-clockwise direction. Generally we can see in clockwise direction, but in this case it is considered in anti-clockwise direction. There are some types of regions for contour integral. First is simply connected region. A closed curve is called simple closed curve if the curve has no multiple points. That means the curve does not cross itself. Just like it is a simple cross curve, it is not like infinity. We have seen the shape infinity. Infinity cross itself. That curve, such a kind of, it is not such a kind of curve. Therefore, it is called simple curve. Multiple curve crosses itself if it encloses more than one separate region. Just like this shows the infinity. Due to this symbol here, this is goes on in the anti-clockwise direction here, and it comes after that, so the region is converted into two parts, so therefore it is called multiple curve. Multiple connected regions. Now multiply connected regions is bounded by more than two curves. We can convert a multi-connected region into simple connected one by giving it one or more cuts. Just like see here, these are the multi-connected curves inside and outside. Simple connected curve, that means without any cross here. If I cut this curve and get like this way, so we can here this portion is cutted, so it will be converted into simple cut. Just like here, if I give more than two, here I give only one cut. One can give two cuts, three cut, four cut. If four cut is given, so in this way we can obtain the simply connected region. So this is in this way we can see the multiple and simple connected curves. Now Cauchy integrals for theorem. If f of z is any analytical function within and on a simple closed curve C, then integration over a closed curve C f z dz is equals to 0. That means if the function is analytical inside or on the boundary of the simple closed curve, then the integration is equals to directly 0. Second is Cauchy's integral formula. This is most important because depending upon this formula, the question for 5 marks must be considered here. If f of z is a single valued and analytical within an on closed curve C, that means a function is single valued, single variable function. It is analytical within and on a closed curve. That means inside and on the boundary of the closed curve C, and A is any point within C. A is any point which lies inside the curve. Then integration over a closed curve C, fz upon z minus a dz, that is equals to 2 pi r f of A here. This is the formula. Its corollary is also the given here. The corollary says that if f of z is analytical inside on a boundary of C, that is closed curve C, of a simply connected region R, then the integration over a closed curve C fz upon z minus a n plus 1 fz dz is equals to 2 pi n upon n factorial fna. This is fna is the nth order derivative here. Okay, so this is regarding with the derivative form. Now see one or two example now here regarding to this. First example is now evaluate. This symbol is given that the curve is closed. Evaluate the closed curve integration over a closed curve C ez into e raised to z into dz upon z minus 1 into z minus 4, where the curve C is equals to mod z is equals to 2. Now in polar, in complex number, mod z indicates always a circle here. So this is the equation of circle having radius 2. So I have drawn this circle. Now this is circle having whose center at origin and radius is 2 units, so therefore this is 2 and here it is minus 2. Now I consider I is equals to this integration. I have considered curve on the region is considered mod z is equals to 2. I have seen the denominator because denominator is this z in z minus 1 and z minus 4, both are vanishing terms which are vanishes for 1 and 4. So by considering that, I obtain z is equals to 1 and z is equals to 4. Now I obtain z's 2 value 1 and 4. If I consider the curve now here, inside the curve is now my circle. Inside the circle only lies 1 here. So z is equals to 1 is lies inside in the curve, and z is equals to 4 is not on the boundary of curve, that lies totally outside the curve. That means I say here only z is equals to 1 lies inside the circle and z is equals to 4 is outside the circle. Therefore I is equals to close integration e raised to z upon z minus 4, the portion at which the point which is outside the circle is concluded into f of z. So therefore numerator and that value, so e raised to z upon z minus 4 is my f of z dz upon z minus 1, because the point which lies inside it is considered here. So therefore by Cauchy's integral formula, now integration over c f z upon z minus a is equals to 2 pi into f of a. See here a is equals to 1, so therefore f of z is equals to e raised to z into z minus 4 for into f of 1. So f of 1 is equals to now e raised to z, that is e raised to 1 is 1, then z minus 4, that is 1 minus 4, e raised to minus 3, that is take the value e raised to 1 is e, 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So therefore I applied here value 2 pi I f of, therefore 2 pi I e minus 3. So therefore due to this negative it become minus of 2 pi e I upon 3. Secondly, I consider this example now. Evaluate the integration close integral c e raised to 3z upon z minus pi I dz, where c is the ellipse, mod of z minus 2 plus mod of z plus minus 2 plus mod of z plus 2 is equals to 6. So I consider the integration. Now here denominator term is z minus pi I, that pi I is equals to 0. Therefore this implies z is equals to pi value. So apply here in this equation z is equals to pi. So z minus 2 means pi I minus 2 plus z plus 2, that is pi I plus 2. Mod of this term is given, so apply the mod formula, that is x square plus y square. So real part square means pi square plus imaginary part real and imaginary part square. So therefore it is minus 2 square is 4 and pi square is pi square. So pi square plus 4 plus pi square plus 4. So these two terms are equal. So I can say now this is 2 times pi square plus 4. If I consider the numerical value of this, now pi is 3.14. 3.14 square is now 3, there is a 10 point something plus 4. So that will be equals to now 14. And 14 means that value is lies between 3 and 4 here. So that 3 point something, 3 2s are here 6, so which is greater than, due to some points which is greater than 6, I calculated it on calci. So that is 7.45 which is greater than 6. That means z is equals to pi is only one point is given here, and that lies outside the given ellipse. There is no further point, so therefore the function outside, it lies outside, so therefore the curve is totally close here. So therefore the function is analytically inside and on the ellipse. Hence by Cauchy's integral formula the value of integration is equals to 0 here. Next is now consider evaluate the contour integration c z minus 3 upon z square plus 2z plus 5 dz, where c is equals to z plus 1 minus I is equals to, this question was repeated for 5 marks 2 times. So I consider now the equation singular points are obtained equating 0. So I have seen that here z square plus 2z. So I can write this 5 as a 1 plus 4. So z square plus 2z1 is equals to 4 is outshifted to this side, so it becomes minus 4. Minus 4 can be written as 4I square. So I can write here this is the expansion of z plus 1 square, and this is the in terms of square become 2I square. So by taking square root, z plus 1 is equals to plus minus 2I. Hence z is equals to minus 1 plus 2I, z is equals to minus 1 minus 2I. This is the two values of z. So next first condition is given, let z plus 1 minus I is equals to 2. So for my z is equals to minus 1 plus 2I, I apply here value, so that is minus 1 plus 2I plus 1 minus I. So plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, 2I minus I, that is 1I. 1I square is, that is only 1 square is 1, which is less than 2 here. So that means this point z is equals to minus 1 plus 2I lies inside the circle here. Secondly, z is equals to minus 1 minus 2I. Again apply the value, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled here. Minus 2I, 1 minus 1I become minus 3I. Its modulus is 3, which is greater than 2. So therefore z is equals to minus 1 plus minus 2I. This is outside the region. So therefore I can say now only z is equals to minus 1 plus 2I lies inside the given circle. Therefore by Cauchy's integral formula, integration is equals to, I can write instead of this polynomial, now it's these two values here. So z minus and z plus. So therefore z plus 1 minus 2i, that become here z plus 1 plus 2i dz. Now here z is equals to minus 1 plus 2i is lies inside, so we have to calculate for this now. So therefore second portion is now plus 2i is regarding it included into f of z. So z minus 3 z plus 1 minus 2i dz upon z plus 1 plus 2i here. So by after that now that is equals to 2 pi I f of minus 1 plus 2i. Then apply the value, z is equals to now this will be minus 1 plus 2i minus 4. Then here it is now minus 1 plus 2i plus 1 minus 2i here plus 2i here. So next part is now here that is equals to minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, 2i become 4i, then 2i minus 3 minus 1 become minus 4, 2 2s are become here 4, or I have taken here 2 to be common, so 2 as a common, 2 and 2 get cancelled, again this 2 get cancelled, I also get cancelled, so therefore I is equals to pi into I minus 2. So this is the value of integration. So in this way we apply Cauchy's integral formula, and Cauchy's integral formula is considered for 5 marks.